¿Qué onda, vatos? Thanks again for tuning into yet another video. We are going into test riding the ST Road Glide. This is one of the bikes I was talking about that I was, thinking about trading in for. But man, this thing is gorgeous. I don't think I've seen it yet at these dealerships, and I'm glad I am next in line to test ride it. So let's go ahead and turn it on. I already have it all set. I always have trouble. Reaching these. Thank you. I always have trouble reaching these kickstands, but man, yeah, this bike is a little taller. I am still flat-footing the bike, but man, this is a beautiful looking bike. I like the gunship gray. I like the shark nose fairing. Everything about this bike I am a fan of. So let's go ahead, making sure I'm recording. Let's go and get into this first turn. And it's got the 117, it's got the Prodigy wheels, it's got the Lowrider S color scheme, of course. You have the bronze wheels, you have the blacked out components, and this is, like I said, this is the gunship gray one, and you have the 117 on this one. So let's go ahead and see how she handles. I've been riding bikes all day. I love these demo events. Let's go ahead and open her up. Yeah, she feels great. I mean, it's a touring bike. It also weighs 850 pounds or something like that. It's got the forward controls, and something that I pointed out on the Lowrider S with the mids, the air breather is hitting my shin just a tad bit. So I am 5'7". I mean, that might be different depending on how tall you are, but I do have a little bit. I mean, it's minor, not too bad, but I mean, it's not too bad. All right, it's just something to kind of pick at, something to kind of just note that my shin is rubbing up against the air breather. So let's go ahead, get on this first turn. I might have to pull over somewhere and just get some photos of this beautiful bike. I'm a fan of this Road Glide ST. I like everything about it. The blacked out components, the gunship gray looks great. The tank badging is something that I really love. I love that Lowrider tank badging. And the Prodigy wheels, I'm a fan of the Prodigy wheels. I like the bronze. Everything on this bike I love. I absolutely love the 117, everything. It's got the floorboards. You could, of course, move your feet up and down to where you're more comfortable, and still have that relaxed feel, that relaxed triangle. It's got that relaxed feel with the handlebars and the overall triangle on this. Of course, like I said, it's a touring model, so you're gonna have a lot of little benefits, but it being 850 pounds, you are going to compromise some of that handling, especially at lower speeds. But you know what, if you're getting a touring model, you know what you're getting into. You're going to be using it for long range and more highway freeway miles more than anything, of course. So let's go ahead and open her up. Ahead. Unfortunately, it looks like I'm going to be riding behind this SUV. I'm not going to be able to get it up to speed, but once I take it on the freeway, maybe I'll be able to open her up a little bit more. Looks like he's turning left here. No, he's not. I don't know. I mean, I really like this bike. I like the windshield, everything, the inner fairing. It's, you know, it's real stylized. I would probably swap out the handlebars, but I don't know how you would do that with this setup. I mean, it looks like here, I'm gonna turn in here. Of course, this is gonna be away from the demo route, but man, I just gotta take some photos of this thing. This is one clean looking bike from Harley-Davidson. I mean, they really knocked it out of the park. It's just, you know, is it worth the $29,000? I don't know about that, but man, I'm not gonna shut her off because I'm not even sure where the key is. So let me see if I can put it in neutral.
A few moments later.
Huh. It should have been neutral right there. I think you should be able to turn on. I don't want to turn it off. I don't know if they have the key fob. Man, I can't find neutral in this damn thing.
1 hour later.
I guess I won't be able to take those photos after all. I just can't find damn neutral on this bike. There we go. Finally.
Yes! Yes!
Able to get it. That took a minute to get. Let's go ahead and turn that wheel outwards. And let's take some shots. Let's go ahead, get some of those pictures, and of course the ugly ass truck back there. Let's go ahead for the gram. Go ahead, go in here. I'm supposed to be test riding this bike, but man, this bike is just, it is beautiful. This bike looks good from any angle. All right, let's get going. Take this bike back, and you know what, this is gonna be my last demo ride. I've been on everything. I don't know, I don't think I'm gonna post every single ride I've been on, or who knows, maybe. I mean, it's gonna be a lot of videos. But let's go ahead and get ready. Here we go. Go ahead. There we go. You can really feel the vibration in this one, or the road, at higher speeds. So wow, surprisingly, you know, like I said, it's the heavier bike. The Sportster S handles a little bit better, but I mean, it's a lighter bike. We're talking about what, 500 pounds on the Sportster S. So it is going to handle different. Of course, you have a heavier bike. So speaking of the Sportster S, it's right behind me. It is right behind me. We're gonna open her up. I'm pretty sure the Sportster S will smoke me, but here we go. Wow. I didn't even know how fast I was going until I looked down. Like I said, man, having this frame mounted fairing and you know, the extra comfort of a bigger bike, of a bagger, you just don't know how fast you're really going. It's like riding a Cadillac or driving a Cadillac. Wow, this thing handles like a dream at 100 miles per hour. Wow. Anyways, yeah, I mean, this is probably the highlight, only because, of course, I mean, I'm more into the air-cooled V-twin. The Sportster is, you know, it's quick, it's fast, but I mean, it's just not my kind of bike. So, you know, compared to a lighter bike and everything else, I had more fun riding the Rogue Glide ST. So anyways, you guys just go ahead and leave your comments down below. Let me know which bike are you guys looking forward to. The demo truck is out here in California. I don't know how many demo trucks they have, but hopefully it's a little bit closer to home next time, and maybe I'll jump on a few, you know, different bikes. But as far as today, I think I've been satisfied with the with my appetite of riding these 2022s. So you guys just, you know, stay out there, stay safe. Thanks for tuning in to yet another video. Don't believe everything you read. Life's a risk. Get out there and ride. Later.